Hi everyone, I'm Dr.A.NAGALAXMI, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance in Dr.SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I'm here to make an explanation about another simple problem in cost sheet. This is another sum given as a previous sum. As it is not the same, but we have some adjustments based on the previous sum. From the following figures obtained from the costing records of product A, ascertain the prime cost for the month of August 1997. So they have here the same prime cost calculation is to be made and prime cost calculation is to be made on a product A. So some product named as A. For that we have to find out for the month of August 1997. So they have given an exact period of month and year. So opening stock of raw material, that is 1897, it is 10,000. Raw materials purchased is 80,000. Raw material return is 5,000. Carriage inwards of raw material purchased is 4,000. Raw materials on 31/8/1997 is 6,000. Work in progress at prime cost on 1/8/97 is 8,000. Work in progress at prime cost on 31/8/97 is 4,000. Chargeable expenses is 10,000. Productive wages is 40,000. So these are the items or the information given as a cost records of product A. Now we are supposed to prepare a statement showing prime cost for the month of August 1997. So with the above available information, we are supposed to prepare a prime cost. So statement showing the prime cost for the month of August 1997. So here we have to prepare a cost statement in order to find out the prime cost for the month of August 1997. So we have to allocate 3 columns. One is particulars column, another 2 is amount column. One is inner amount column and another one is outer amount column in order to make the calculation. So opening stock of raw material is 10,000, which is given in the problem. It should be written in the outer column. Add purchases of raw material. So purchases of raw material is 80,000 given in the sum. So add purchases 80,000 less return. So there is a return value given 5,000. So less return 5,000. Next is carriage inwards. So 80,000 minus 5,000, we get the value 75,000. We have to add carriage inwards. So carriage inwards given in the sum is 4,000. So add carriage inwards 4,000 along with 75,000. We get 79,000. It should be written in the outer column. Next we have to do is we have to less the raw material on 31/8/97. That is the closing raw material is to be reduced. So 79,000 minus 89,000 minus, that is 79,000 plus 10,000, 89,000. Minus closing stock of raw material 6,000, we get 83,000. That 83,000 is none other than raw materials consumed. As direct material is not given directly in the sum, we calculated the raw material consumed. With that, we have to add productive wages and we have to add chargeable expenses. So productive wages is nothing but it is a direct wages or direct labor, and the chargeable expenses is nothing but the direct expenses. If we add those two, that is 83,000 plus productive wages 40,000 plus chargeable expenses 10,000, we get 1,33,000. Here they have given an information that work in progress at prime cost on 1897 8,000, that is opening stock of work in progress at prime cost. Again, closing uh, work in progress at prime cost is given as 4,000. So we are going to make that calculation. So 1,33,000, add opening stock of work in progress at prime cost 8,000, we get 1,41,000, and less closing stock of work in progress at prime cost, it is 4,000. We have to less so that we ascertain the prime cost 1,37,000. This is a simple problem in the calculation of prime cost. Thank you so much for the patience listening.